Welcome to the Aspen Shed once more, and I have to say, Houston, we have a problem. Unfortunately, the close-up shots of the finishing of the cylinder head, one moment, there, has been lost forever. The SD card on my close-up camera seems to have taken a knock, so I will be able to continue that video, but only with shots from the back of the lathe, no close-ups of the actual work. So I'm just doing this little intro to say that, so I will continue now a one camera only, I'm afraid. Right, well, I did that. I've taken all those fins to the proper depth. I came out the same way as I went in, moving the dial and winding it 3 turns. I've just started the parting off by there, but before I go any further I just want to take all the sharp corners off and give it a little bit of definition here and there, so with a bit of luck we can dispense with the parting off tool, and we'll stick in this little, I can't remember how many degrees, it's one tool I made at, what is it, not 45, but somewhere near there. So we'll just go in, get the calyx lock off, and we'll go in by year, and touch this edge off. Chamfer on it. In the middle, just to take the corners off them. Put a chamfer on the very end before I started. I wanted to put a bit of a taper going across down there, taper from there, just to give it a bit of shape. And according to the plan there's also a dome on the top. I have to make my mind up now if I want to set up and put a bit of a tiny chamfer on there. I suppose I can do, can't I? It's not going to kill eye, is it? Now's the time to do it. Only problem is I haven't got a spanner to hand, have I? I need a bandana to move the compound, and that is too big. Oh, it's not. Well, that's funny, isn't it? It fits. So we just slacken the compound off a tad. Like that. And then we'll put on what? 5 degrees. That's too much, isn't it? We'll put on 2.5 degrees. No, we won't. We'll put on 1 degree. Yeah. Not a big taper. It's just to give it a little bit of definition. So that's tight again. We've got enough travel to do that, I think. And we'll go in. And lock the carriage. And just see how far we can get with this. Oh dear, dear, dear. Good job of machining that. Just put a niche in it. Yeah, that's far enough. Two fins. Just touching 3 seconds. First one's looking a bit thicker now. that the door 6 spins. Just to give it a little bit of shape. Not a terrific amount. And foil. Always use a foil with a handle. And obviously keep it away. Putting a chuck. That's that one. The other way, it's going to be all over front. That's it. Right. Loudly jabbly. I think this is going to have the dome top on it somewhere. A little bit of Scotch-Brite, Scotch pad. Job is going to be done on the mill, the drilling of the holes. So, last job is to part it off. I've probably forgotten something, which will probably necessitate me having to make another because I was a daft sod and shouldn't have done so before. I should have done something before parting it off, but I can't see what just at the minute. There's no way I can dome the top, so is there? Put a slight dome on it going in like that, couldn't I? But it'd be a flat, it wouldn't be a... Oh, while I'm thinking about it, shall we bother doing that? I could put a 5 degree on it. I could put, sorry, it's at 1 degree at the moment. I could put a little bit of a bevel, it wouldn't be a round. Subtle again. How am I going to advance it? That's the thing. Let's see what it does. Can't advance in the direction of the cut, can I? etch-a-sketch style at the minute. That's about it. That's all I can put on there. Alright, straighten everything up. Back on 0. The dog see the rabbit. The only thing I'm not too keen on this machine is this tool post clamp. I've tried sorting it out a bit myself, but it could be a lot better. Right, I've still got a flat face there, so I'm going to use that to square up my tool. Oh, I've gone off the thread. Bugger. There we go. That's it. That is now square with the work. I'll have to make a mandrel for it to do any work on that end, I think. I'll tell you what I could do before I part it off. I'll just put a little hole up the middle so I can centre me mill on it. Good thinking, Batman, see? I'm not as daft as I look. That would be useful. When I get it on the mill, I can use my wiggler to centre it for the whole pattern, etc, etc. Told you there'd be a reason for not parting it off yet. The hole is, of course, what the compression screw is going to fit in. I wish I'd made a glow fuel motor now. Wouldn't be messing about with this contra piston and things. I'll check that out. Pop a 3mm. That'll do. Go in 10mm. Should be out the other side. Be on the safe side. There's 12. Call that quits. These keyless trucks are fabulous. Right, we'll go back to parting off. Lock down the carriage. Squirty. Running out of squirty. Something quickly. Got to put a bevel on that side, didn't I? After machining it. So we'll just quickly change to this one. Nice chatter mark around it now, won't it? Before now I've put these quick change tools in and forgot to tighten them. That's a favourite trick. Wonder why they're chattering and dancing about. everybody remembers the first time they tried to part something on. And that's why everybody's frightened of it. Ow! Why did somebody say it is hot? Right. And there it is. It was worth putting that bit of a taper on it. It hasn't suffered from having that done, and it will look all the better. On the engine. I'll have to blow that out with some air. So there's the engine, and now it's got a cylinder head. Oh, doesn't that look nice? Right, I'll finish there again, and we'll come back when we've got it in the mill. Good job I didn't take any more off the bottom of that. It would have been right close to the holes. So that's about as much tape as you can put on it. 1 degree from the 6th fin. Right, sayonara for now, and I'll come back shortly or longly. Bye!